Hey Dee Fam, welcome back to another video. Sonia D here. So today what I'm going to do is open up my May box for BOXYCHARM. I got it in the mail today, so I'm really excited to open it up because this month was well, from what I saw, a sneak peek. It should have been, or should be, quite amazing. But I don't know, I haven't opened it up yet. So just like last time, I did mention that this video is not sponsored. So basically, I paid for this own box myself. It's $21 US, so about 35 Canadian dollars. You get it once a month, as long as you keep paying. I actually love last month's box. It was my first box, and now I got my May box. I'm really excited about this one, I don't know why. So just like last time, I got just a normal BOXYCHARM card. This time, and this is what I saw in the sneak peek. I didn't know for sure if I was going to get it, the Glam Glow. But this time the card is actually normal. So it says make waves. I'm actually, this time around, I'm number 1. So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys. So from first glance, I see the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Oh, then I have a dose of color. Looks like a matte lipstick, and then we have got eye luster cream eyeshadow. First off, we're going to look at the Glam Glow. The card says, it's a gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanses gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. This is a $28 value. I'm really excited about this because I did see it on the sneak peek. And actually Glam Glow is one of my favorite facial mask cleanser type things, although I've been using oil of Olay forever and ever. I don't know, it seems to be doing really well on me. We'll see how this one is. I'm gonna try it. I'm really excited about this, and look at the box. The box is gorgeous. Oh, I love this kind of like color scheme. It's almost like perfect because my bedroom is kind of like rainbowy like this. I'm gonna do a bedroom tour soon. This one is the Dose of Color. It looks like it's a color truffle. Looks like a color truffle. It says your new Dose of Color liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, and it's an $18 value. Oops, it's an $18 value. So I'm going to open it up and swatch it right now and just see what it looks like, what the packaging looks like. Ooh, it's so nice. I love that. And then the color. Oh, that's a nice color actually. And it's called Truffle, this one. This one is really nice. I really like this color. This is a really nice brown. And we got the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, and it says it's a $22 value. It's by Ciate London also. It says here it'll create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over an eyeshadow as a topper. What does this look like? I don't think I've ever seen this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? Eye luster. It's gorgeous. Holy. Look at this. Look at this. It's a very top one. Oh wow. That's gorgeous. It's like that gold. It looks gold on one side, purple on this side. Hell yes. This is going to be like, oh my god. This one I'm really excited about. Holy, wow. That's a $22, and that's a $22 value. This, look the shine on that. I love that. All right, and then we have a Bodyography eyeliner pencil. It's a vegan cruelty. Sorry, let me show you guys. It says this vegan cruelty Bodyography lip pencil is okay, wait. It says eyeliner pencil, but it also says lip pencil. So which is it? Anyways, it says it's infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. And it's a $14 value. On one side, it says it's an eyeliner. This looks like an eyeliner to me, not a lip liner. But why does the cardboard say lip liner? They made a mistake on the lip liner part. Yeah. I'm going to show you the bottom one. It says here eyeliner, and then here it says lip liner. So funny. All right, that's okay. But it's green, and my eyes are green. Oh, we'll try that. Then we have this. I don't know what this is. Oh, it says it's a blush trio. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Color Red Blush Trio. It's a $22 value. It says it's buttery smooth, high pigmented, and completely vegan. It's a formula that delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Well, let's open this up. I've never had such cool packaging before. I'm really excited about this. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's got the protective thing. This is also a really good thing to put your foundation on. So you can put your foundation on here. Keep this. Put your foundation on instead of putting it on the back of your hand or whatnot. So then, yeah, so these are the blushes. Oh my goodness. It doesn't say the colors of them. Oh yes, it does. So this one is Castaway. This one is Paraiso. And this one is Scorcher. So let me swatch these. I'm going to swatch them on my hand here. So this one is, oh, it is buttery. I kind of see it, but do you guys see it? Yeah, you see it a little bit. And this one there is a little fallout. And this one is Scorcher. You can see Scorcher a little bit more. Okay, so this is Scorcher right here. So it's a little orangey. So you got the top. The top one is Castaway, and then the second one is Paraiso. This is Castaway, this is Paraiso. So this one's a little pinky. So I'm excited about this too. I'm going to give this a try and see how I like it. It's got a nice like metallic, got a little magnetic lid. I really enjoy that. So I'm still digging this. It's already dry, and look how pretty it looks. This one, the eyeshadow topper is dry, but the lipstick is still not. It's still kind of tacky. I'm gonna say that the Make Waves this month for May BOXYCHARM Box is amazing. It's so nice. I'm so pleased. I got the Glam Glow. I'm definitely gonna try that. And then the eyeliner, I'm gonna give it a try. And then the blush, not much of a blush person, but I will definitely try it. One day I'll do a look, and then with all my new makeup, and then we'll see how it all looks. And then with the blush, again, like you can also, it's like shimmery to the point where you can actually use it as a highlighter. I would definitely do that. I would definitely put it as a highlighter. And then of course the lip topper, the eye topper. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. And then the liquid matte lipstick by Dose of Color is also an amazing color. I love this color. This is kind of close to what I'm wearing right now. And if you are curious to what I am wearing right now on my lips, I'm a big fan of the Avon lip liners, believe it or not. I really love their lip liners. They're so creamy and they just go on perfect. So I'm a big sucker for Avon lip liners. You can, I believe I made a video with my all-time favorites. If you look back at my uploads, I think that's part of it. And then on top, I have Jeffree Star. I have Jeffree Star, but I don't remember the color of it. But it's part of his family collection, and it's a lighter brown. So this month in May, we got 5 products. I'm really happy about that. So last month we got 4, but I'm so pleased. I'm absolutely loving these. So I'm going to give them all a try. Like I said, I'm going to probably do a makeup look relatively soon, I guess, and show off my new digs when it comes to my face. And if you're new here, by the way, my name is Sony Dee. I make videos of all kinds. Whatever I feel like making, I'll do. But my brand is the next phase. So it basically aims to better myself, my confidence, my spiritual, my emotional, and my physical as well. I've been kind of in the slumps for the last 10 years or so, so I'm kind of like getting back out there. But anyways, guys, so that's it. So if you want to subscribe, do subscribe. Hit the bell for the notification, and it'll let you know that I've posted. I do thank you so much for being here. I love you guys all so much. Until the next video, bye guys. Oh, like what the hell? I'm like all weird today. I'm weird today. What the hell? Like, I look so uncomfortable on camera today. Oh god, guys. I hope this video is okay. Bye.